Welcome to this tutorial on how to read a Robinhood stock chart. Reading a stock chart is an essential skill for any investor. And with this guide, you will learn the basics of stock chart analysis. First, let's start with the basics. A stock chart is a graphical representation of a stock's price movement over a specific period of time. The chart displays the stock's high, low, open, and close prices, as well as the trading volume. The x-axis of the chart represents time, while the y-axis represents the stock's price. The price movement is plotted on the chart using a line or a series of bars, with each bar representing a specific time period, such as a day or an hour. When reading a stock chart, the first thing to look for is the trend. The trend is the overall direction of the stock's price movement. There are three main trends: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways trend. An uptrend is when the stock's price is increasing. A downtrend is when the stock's price is decreasing. And a sideways trend is when the stock's price is moving horizontally. Another important concept is support and resistance levels. Support levels are areas where the stock's price has historically bounced back from, while resistance levels are areas where the stock's price has struggled to break through. To identify these levels, look for areas on the chart where the stock's price has consistently bounced back from or struggled to break through. These levels can be used to predict future price movements and make informed investment decisions. Practical examples of how to use these concepts include looking for a stock that is trending upwards and reaching a resistance level. If the stock breaks through the resistance level, it could be a sign that the stock is about to experience a significant price increase. On the other hand, if a stock is trending downwards and reaching a support level, it could be a sign that the stock is about to bounce back. Best practices for reading a Robinhood stock chart include starting with a long-term view and then zooming in on shorter time periods. It's also essential to consider other factors, such as news and economic indicators, when making investment decisions. In conclusion, reading a Robinhood stock chart is a valuable skill that can help you make informed investment decisions. By understanding the basics of stock chart analysis, including trends, support and resistance levels, and practical examples, you can improve your investment strategy and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always consider multiple factors and stay up to date with market news to get the most out of your investments.